Hello guys, welcome to QWOP Education. This is our sixth video of the free SEO series, and in this video we are going to study about what is social bookmarking and importance of social bookmarking, and we will see practically how a social bookmarking is done. So in the previous class we have discussed about adding the codes to your home pages of a website, adding the codes to your SEO targeted pages such as home page, products page, services pages, etc. What are what are the products pages of the website, service pages of the websites, SEO codes point by point, and in this video we are going to see what is social bookmarking in SEO. So in search engine optimization, the word social bookmarking has a special place as it connects with a number of websites or a number of sites which are related to a social bookmark. For example, if your website is getting 100 traffics per day, if you socialize or you do social bookmarking with your website, it may get more than 1000 traffics a day. So first of all, we will see what is social bookmarking in search engine optimization. Social bookmarking is one of the off-page SEO activities that has been carried out since the early days of SEO or search engine optimization to acquire backlinks for websites. So the main thing here comes is to acquire the backlinks. What are backlinks? Suppose I am going or I am searching in internet that best sarees near me, or another thing such as best telephone near me. So there are a lot of sites, and from that site, if I get a site of another website of another business, then that is called a backlink. It is saying that the backlink is the link that is given to other sites to increase the traffic in your sites. Suppose one person is visiting other site, and you are or you have a big business of telephones, so you must provide your website's link or the products page link at that site in order to get traffic. So if the person clicks that link, it will take to your website, which will generate a lot of traffic. The next thing, social bookmarking involves the submission of web page links to different link sharing websites such as Reddit, Tumblr, Scoop.it, Lork, Pearltease, and the list goes on. As I said you, these are some most useful social bookmarking sites which help in generating backlinks. Next thing we will see is why is social bookmarking used. Social bookmarking allows internet users to identify, label, store, organize, search, and manage bookmarks of web pages for later access. It is saying that when you post your or give the link of your website to a social bookmarking site, it stores and organizes according to your business and manages the links of web pages for later access. When one is searching, if he or she gets it, then it will also generate a lot of traffic, which will also help you in running of business or growing your business in a less time. The next thing is these online applications enable users to collect and designate informational resources both for their own use and for sharing with others. It is saying that social bookmarking enables users to collect the data and designate informational resources. Suppose in a social bookmarking site, as we discussed before, such as Reddit or Scoopit, you go and type best watches for my home or best clocks for my home. So, in that sense, the Reddit or the social bookmarking site will just go and search how many watches or watch related sites are present, and it will ensure that you get an easy result so that you will not be confused, and it also allows the users for using their own and also sharing with others. You can use with your own, and you can also share the related sites that you get from one site. You can also share to the other ones. So next thing is why we do bookmarking, social bookmark. A bookmark is a placeholder for a web page that will allow you quick access to that page instead of having to browse it or search it. As we discussed before, the bookmark is a placeholder, and it helps to store a lot of web pages, and it also makes you it is like a public appearance. As many people search sites or search websites or search their products in internet, the bookmarking will help you to generate traffic or backlinks. Instead of typing in a web page in Google, click the bookmark that will directly take you the page immediately. What are the steps to do social bookmarking? The first step is search top social bookmarking sites in the browser and click on the sites with high domain authority and page authority, DA or PA. DA and PA we have discussed in last classes. You can go and see that videos, or if you wish to do to see a separate video, please comment below regarding DA and PA, domain authority and page authority. So the next step is provide your website details that are asked in the social bookmarking sites. The details which are mainly asked are A, the website URL, and B, the description of your websites. The next steps are clicking after the submission of all the details, click on the submit button. After successfully submitted in the page, search for the backlinks and get your required backlink and store it for further use in SEO. You must note that you must submit at least book at least five at least five websites or five social bookmarking sites for better ranking of your website. It is saying that you must give your links and all the details at least in five social bookmarking sites, which will grow your business with less time and easily. Next, we will see how to do social bookmarking practically. So here I will type, or I have recently typed here top social bookmarking sites. I will just click it and see the number of sites here. I'm getting number of sites that you can also see that popular social bookmarking websites like Twitter, Pinterest, Stumble Upon, Dribble, Pocket, Dig, Reddit, Slasher. So we will see this one. on 30 social sharing sites, and this one we will go with Pinterest. I have just clicked the Pinterest backlink here. Here when I click this, it took me to Pinterest website, and I will go with sign up here and will give all my details, like, or else I can do here continue with Google. Here I will give my Gmail ID, press your confirm. So it will be asking little bit of information. I will give here 90, give here 20, then I will continue. So my account is created here. Welcome to Pinterest Hope, and here I can edit my name and scope education submit. Next, what are the details that it is asking? Is my language and country of origin. Will ask, tell us what you are interested in. So here you can see there are a lot of websites or lot of options which will generate a lot of backlinks. And suppose I click here art and life hacks, drawings, education, computer, and design. Done. Done. All set to go with, and here in this you can see it is my profile of a social bookmarking site, and I can also get here share option with edit profile options, such as here I will give the descriptions of my websites here, such as, let me give this, I will copy my description on the website. I am copying here from the website, but if we keep it in notepad and copy from there, it will be lot more easy. We'll paste my description here, and this is, let it be, pronouns are usable things, but we are not focusing here in pronouns. And here I will give my website link. I'm giving my website links here and save. So I have successfully saved this. When anyone search about education or the fields that we get that we are interested in, that will help me to generate lot of traffic. When someone types education in the Pinterest site, my site will be shown uh, in top 5 or top 10 or top 100 sites, and one when searches this, it will take to my website. when it is clicked specifically for education. And how to get the backlink here, you can see that I already typed here, sorry, I already given all the details, and this is my backlink. The backlink is www.pinterest.com/qwopeducation3. It is according to my email account. So this is the backlink. You have to take this and save for further. If we search this, we go to this and search here in Google. You can see it is showing my site, which will allow me to access the qwopetechnologies.com/training link and will take to my website, which will generate a lots of traffic. We'll see what did we study today. First of all, we studied what is social bookmarking in SEO, why is social bookmarking used, or the importance of social bookmarking in search engine optimization. The next thing we saw was why do we do social bookmarking. The next was steps to do social bookmarking with practical. So I hope that you liked this video and you found something informative regarding search engine optimization. If you found something informative, please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what you need or what courses you are interested in. So we'll try making that, and be connected with us. You can also share our channel with your friends and relatives and other who who are wanting to know about search engine optimization, and various courses will be coming soon. Thank you.